Hi, welcome to Fluent English Fast. In this video, we will listen to a short story to practice listening to spoken English. Kim is nervous. She is moving far from home. Kim looks out the window of the plane. The lights of the city grow closer. She feels alone. The plane lands smoothly. The passengers collect their carry-on bags. They begin to exit the plane. Kim finds her suitcase in the overhead bin. She looks for Jeff. She wants to say goodbye to him. He's nowhere to be seen. How strange, Kim thinks. Kim exits the plane. She just has a short layover in New York. Her next flight departs from gate 43. I'm glad it's in the same terminal, Kim thinks. She sits down and waits for her next flight to board. Kim thinks about everything that happened that day. First, she woke up late. She almost missed her flight. Then she bumped into Jeff in the airport. Jeff spilled his cup of coffee. Kim dropped her suitcase and everything fell out of it. It was so embarrassing, Kim remembers. By chance, Kim and Jeff were seated next to each other on the plane. It was so awkward, Kim thinks. An elderly woman walks up to Kim. The woman asks Kim, "Do you have a phone charger I could use for a few minutes? I lost my charger and my phone is dead now." Kim says, "Sure." She looks in her suitcase for her phone charger. Her suitcase is overflowing. It's a mess from when everything fell out of it earlier. Finally, Kim finds the phone charger. She gives the charger to the elderly woman. "Thank you so much," the woman says. Kim says, "No problem." The woman charges her phone. After a while, she gives the charger back to Kim and thanks her again. Finally, Kim hears an announcement. Her flight is boarding. Kim walks on the plane and finds her seat. This time, no one is sitting next to her. She falls to sleep before the plane takes off. Kim wakes up. The plane has already landed. Kim exits the plane. She walks out of the airport. She's happy to see her grandmother soon. Kim is excited to give her grandmother the gift she brought from home. Now let's answer some questions about the story. Question 1. Why is Kim traveling? Kim is traveling because she is moving. Question 2. Does Kim say goodbye to Jeff? No. Jeff disappears before Kim can say goodbye. Question 3. What does the elderly woman ask Kim? The woman asks Kim if she can use Kim's phone charger. Question 4. What does Kim do on her last flight? Kim sleeps on her last flight. Question 5. Why is Kim happy at the end of the episode? Kim is happy she will see her grandmother soon. Watch these videos to learn the English vocabulary words used in this story. Please subscribe to our channel for more English videos.